These are the solar rings you can use to cover your pool to give it some more heat in the summertime. They're just very large, round solar blankets basically. You just fill them up with air, and when you put it in the pool, water will fill up around this ring. There's a hole here, and water will fill up inside that hole to hold it in there. And they have 4 magnets attached to these, and they'll join together when they're in the pool. As you can see, when they bump into each other, the magnets will join together, and that serves a couple purposes. One, it keeps them intact, and another, I'll show you the other reason why there's magnets. And another reason why they're magnetized, stay together, is if they were just separated, the skimmer here would suck them in, and it would just pull it right into the skimmer right here by the weir. So that's why they're kind of locked together too, to keep them from being pulled into the skimmer and stopping the pool section. And these are about 2 years old, and this one here seems to have failed. Probably has a hole somewhere in the middle of it. Some of the benefits of these is that, unlike the solar blanket, they're not going to start falling apart from the sun damage. And also, if you have pets, a pet won't try to walk across these rings. But if you have a solar blanket covering the pool, sometimes pets don't know the difference and they'll just walk right across the blue solar blanket, and that's a pretty hazardous thing. And there's some drawbacks to these. One is that debris will kind of form on top and dirt, and also it does make the pool a little dirtier since it doesn't skim as well with these in the pool, and sometimes they'll get algae on the top also. And as you can see with the solar rings, this pool is at 78 degrees, and the air temperature at night is probably around 60 right now, so they do keep the heat in really well. And to be effective, you need about 80% coverage. You can't just put 3 or 4 rings in there. That won't do anything. It just needs to be, most of the pool has to be covered with these to be effective. So you have to invest in, this one here has about 10 of them, so it's quite an investment.